Hey, what's up, guys? So I just wanted to kind of take a look at the billing overview for the storage for the last 5 months. And so this is the first month when I first started it, adding all the stuff. Look at this, how much it downloaded in one day. What is that in one day? 2.52 terabytes. Wow. That's how much it uploaded onto the cloud storage, right? 2.5 terabytes in one day. But I think it could have done more actually. You had to start more jobs, more programs to run at the same time. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. Look, it was only 110 bucks or $111, right? And then look at that, more than double next month. You know, what the heck is it not showing? It's not showing it. Well, that's weird. Oh, it was loading it. That's what it was doing. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay, and then so the biggest amount that was downloaded that month, where it was more than doubles, oh, it was only 1.39 terabytes. Oh, but look, people actually started using the site. Let's see how much they actually were downloading from it. 0.18 terabytes. Okay, I'm just looking at the highest values, the ones that looks the biggest, just to kind of get a quick breakdown. And then look, okay, February. How much is that? 455 gigs. That's not even a lot. Like that month wasn't really downloading a lot. I was doing a slow because I wasn't sure how much it's gonna cost. How much am I looking at here? Look at that. How much people downloaded? 69 gigs. That's like people watching the videos. Well, and it downloading thumbnails and other files and stuff, but mostly the videos are the big ones. And then, oh yeah, okay, so that was how much? Okay, so it goes from 111, 248, 293. See, I was going real slow actually that month. I didn't know how much to expect. And then this month too, I was going kind of slow. I wasn't sure if I could afford it. How much can I put on there? I would love to add 2,000 more channels, you guys. 5,000, you know? Seriously, I'll add them, but I just don't know if I can afford them right now. So I'm trying to figure out a way so that I can do that, you know? Actually, I have a new product, YoChive. But yeah, we're gonna get more into that. I'm gonna help you guys to gain wealth, okay? I'm gonna help you guys to make money online. I'm building an awesome platform so you can do that. Okay, and here, let's look at this. 562 gigs. Oh, that's actually not the biggest one. Hold on, what was the biggest one? Okay, so that's like 690. See, I wasn't really downloading that much. I wasn't putting so much stuff on the storage, you know. But see, it's also counting deleted storage, how much it was like, removing and all that stuff too, which it holds on to that for like 3 months, I think, because I'm not like prepaid on the thing over here, where like I pay like a year ahead of time or whatever. I don't know. Anyway, so that was like 44 terabytes for $311. That's a good amount of data, you guys. 44 terabytes. But you could look at it as like this, like you add these 9 plus these 44, so what? 53, right? 53 times, the $6 a month, and I think that's where that 311 comes in. That's how I'm thinking that we have to add up the numbers to get like why it costs so much, or how much it costs, why, you know. And so, okay, now this month, I don't know how much it's gonna cost, but I have been putting a good amount of stuff on there too. So it could be like 450, 500 bucks. I don't know how much it's gonna be. It's pending calculation or computation rather. And so yeah, I guess we're gonna see what that's gonna be, you know. Hold on just a second, I want to show you something. Let's see here if I can find the window. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Right, let me close that console here real quick. And all right, sweet. So yeah, this is what I'm working on, you guys. It's like, you know, got this kind of a theme, you know, where you can post things. You can. Why is it broken right now? Did not fully load. Yeah, probably got cut off or something. Okay, yeah. So it's loading. All right. Man, was I working on something over here? I broke it. I think I broke those. I already showed that off to you guys before though. But yeah, oh yeah, it's because I'm not signed in. Durr. Oh, I have to make it show messages right here to sign in. I thought I did. Something's broken. Anyways. See, and you can style what you type. Dude, you guys can make charts. You can, with text, you put it in there, and it's interactive charts actually. I should put an example in here. But yeah, it's really neat. But right now it's only showing images and post that text posts or markdown to be more specific. What am I trying to say? But yeah, I was having a bug earlier today where it's like I deployed it and it was all working and stuff, and then for some reason it broke. It was only running for like an hour, and then so it turns out the video player was causing issues, and there's like some kind of bug, I don't know, so I have to wait for that to get fixed. And so the video player is not gonna show up right now, so any cards, you know, any of these posts or whatever, uploads with video, or Chive with video, is not gonna show right now. It's only images and text for now, until I fix the video player, until they fixed it up there or whatever, you know, this bug that's going on. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Let me see if I can log in here. Okay, let's do that. So let's check it out. It should log me in. Okay, great, it logged me in. Yay. And see if I go to the profile page. Okay, so that's the feed page, what we're looking at now, but I can go to my profile. And then here, you know, you can modify your profile. I'm still working on these details right here, you know. And you don't have to provide your last name or your name. Well, I mean, your name, you know, if you want to give your first name, or just like a initial at least, you know. And then a username, you know, like a handle. And then like if you want to provide what country you're in, you know, and if you're a child or not. If you're a young adult, teenager, it's actually going to be is teen account, is child account. And because I want to make a place so that, you know, when people post, that they'll be able to select if that is child safe content, in order so that, you know, then children and, you know, young adults and teenagers can also utilize this platform and stuff. And you know, people don't have to kind of get upset if, you know, their kids saw something that was meant to be for like an older kid, not such a young kid or something. I don't know. I'm trying to like kind of think ahead of time. Yeah, and you can update it. You know, you can change the profile picture if you click here. I'm not gonna do that right now though. I don't feel like doing that. But yeah. So if we go here and then we go to like my channels, I have some channels that are created. Yeah, I have a couple channels: True Video, TrueTube, which basically you select, you know, you create some channels and then you select which channel you want to upload stuff to. Or if you're doing like a post, then you can just post it with your user, because you have a user, right? Your username, the thing that you create an account with your email, and then you create channels, and so you have a user and then a channel or a couple of channels if you're paying, or as many channels as you want, really. Okay, and let's see here, and I'm gonna make all this other stuff work here real soon. And then yeah, the subscriptions page. This is you know, supposedly it's working. This is what I worked on a lot, you know, to get this all up and running and everything. And yeah, you can actually what's it called? That notification. Yeah, no, I don't want to cancel actually. Or like, you know, you can make add subscriptions separately, or what's it called? All at once, you know. Okay, let's see. What I wanted to show you. What else? Oh yeah, it's the feed is where I wanted to go because we're logged in now. Yay, there we go. Okay, so now we can actually write posts and stuff like, please use YoChive to gain wealth. How about that? And that's a public one. And for now, when you post anything, only the public ones work. And right now you can't have friends yet, but I'm gonna implement all that stuff later, right? So I mean, you can set it to any of these, but the only ones that are gonna show up are the public ones. And then later on, eventually, all this other stuff will show up. Yeah, and depending on what kind of account, when you create the account, depending if it's a child or a teenager, or you don't select child or teen, then you know, it assumes that you're an adult if you don't check any of those check boxes. And so yeah, so basically we can make it so only children will see certain content if, you know, it's a child or a teenager, or yeah, that kind of thing, you know. And yeah, write comments and stuff. Let's see here, let's post that. Right, so I think I gotta make it so it just refreshes or injects it or something, because we didn't put it in there yet. Let's see here, and I gotta do the pull to refresh thing. So where is it? Where did it go? Oh yeah, there it is. It's showing up. It's just kind of not sorted. Please use YoChive to gain wealth. Sweet. Early adopters prosper. All right. And you can actually reply and delete right now. Like if I wanted to delete that, I could. Okay, yay. Or, you know, yeah, let me write that back. Gain much wealth. Alright. Yeah, so this platform, its aim is to allow people to be able to make money with their channel, upload content to their own providers, their storage or video provider or whatever, and so they control what kind of stuff goes in and out of that and stuff. And what's it called? They can, you know, sell products from their channel. You know, you take a picture of anything like in your garage, put it up on your channel, boom, somebody sees it and buys it. You know, money goes directly into your bank account. Doesn't go through me or nothing. Goes directly into your bank. And then, you know, you can, if anything, you can do the, you know, a refund, or, you know, all kinds of stuff, you know. I mean, you just ship the thing out after somebody buys it or whatever, right? I don't know. You can figure that out, right? So yeah. Look at that, you guys. We live on a spinning pear. Much love, you guys. I'm gonna hopefully have this ready and usable, so you guys can post and everything by the 1st. But you can actually access it right now if you go to yourchive.com. But it might keep going up and down and stuff, you know. But yeah, let's see, like I can post a chive if I want. Let me post a couple of pictures. Let me post this picture of myself doing activism, and then let me. Actually, there's multiple ways you can add stuff in there. Let me just add that screenshot in there like that. Bam. So it's 2 files now, 2 images. I'll just call it test. And like, which channel do I want to upload it to? Let's put it on TrueTube. And then when you the modify path, it allows you to kind of like put what directory in the storage it will go to. Let's just make it go in the test. See, and it basically, if I, yeah, see, it puts it in the test. You gotta kind of navigate away, focus away from that, and it does it. And then I can also add a description right here to the video, like test description. That's fine. Let me just hide that out of the way, so it's not. All right. And so yeah, it's showing, you know, 2 files are gonna be uploaded, and I just click that upload button, and it uploads them. Right? Puts them directly on your storage that I just showed you guys that we have, you know, a subscription with, that Wasabi, you know, and I showed you guys how much I'm paying and stuff for that amount of storage. And I think really what it is like, first terabyte is free. So if you don't got a lot, and a lot of people, they don't have a lot, you know. And so yeah, there we go. It's showing up now. See, like with 2 images like that. I'm gonna make it look better, obviously, but that's what we got now. And yeah, I can write a comment in there. Awesome. Hell yeah. Sweet. So yeah, guys. And actually, here we can edit and report and delete this content also if we don't want to, you know, have it up there anymore. You know, so that stuff works now. Let me actually go to the report page and see what that looks like. This should be working. So like if somebody uploads Goatsy or something, you know, you guys will be able to report it. Yeah, but I'm not gonna do the report thing here. We'll just go back to the feed. Okay, so yeah, I built this, you guys. You see, that's me standing there on the street with those signs. I built this software, okay? I'm a software engineer. Somebody tried to kill me because they told me I'm too smart. I don't deserve to be so smart. You can go to the edit to edit this chive. And here once you go edit, you know, you either edit the title or description or the privacy or age setting only. But not like add or remove more files or whatever. I don't know. Maybe I'll make that happen later, but for now that's what we got. Why is it not showing up over here though? Should be a picture up here. Pictures. I just uploaded them. Yeah, because after you upload it, it takes you directly to it, and then I guess I have to make it so it just injects it into here. I'm gonna make it do that. And then so that, you know, you can like toggle the comments. You click on it here, up and down, and it, you know, makes this open up and close and stuff. It's taking a little while to load. Yup, crashed. Yeah, see, there's some kind of stuff over there crashing it, and so I have to, you know, restart the dang thing. And so I don't know if that's gonna be doing that in production. Right now, it's crashing in development when I'm working on it, but you know, when it's in the production, then okay, let's see here. Let's refresh that. Oops, let's hold on just a second. Hold on it. Here, let's look at an Apple for now. Commercial break. Apple commercial break. You know, look at an Apple. Can you guys look at the barcode to know where I bought it? Shit, man, there's tracking stuff all over the place. Maybe I should get a pair, huh? We already got enough pairs for this video. Alright. Is it gonna show up or what? You guys saw I uploaded, but it's not showing up. It's some kind of bug. I don't know, like I gotta probably go back to it. Account chives. So yeah, there it is. Let me refresh this. Yeah. Anyways, I want to make it so that you guys can share content and you know, share wealth and gain wealth, you know, and make money online, and the money goes directly into your account, you know. So there's no middleman type of thing. It's like, you know, a website so that you can have like your own personal business, you know, and be able to communicate and reach anybody in the world. Because a lot of people, they don't realize how powerful it is to be able to reach anybody in the world, you know. A lot of people, they just don't realize how useful it is to be able to learn anything from anybody in the world, and to be able to teach anything to anybody in the world, you know. It's a very powerful thing. And so you know, use it while you have it, because they're trying to take it away from us. Much love, you guys.